want to narrate the day, open it up, where are we at?
Yo, so we're at the hunt quarters right now, working on this very, very beautiful Ferrari. And we're gonna get pretty much started on it. Right now we're just cleaning it all up because it was all dusty from the hatch always being open and stuff, but yeah.
Day number 2 here at the hunt quarters for us, working on TJ's Ferrari. I would say that we're gonna get most of it done, but I said that last time we were here, so I don't wanna make any promises. We're gonna get as far as we can. There's a lot of work to do, so really not much narration today, just straight to work. First thing we're gonna do, wrap the roof. TJ did take the time to wrap these fenders for us, did a great job, but Anthony decided that he didn't like it, so he took the wrap off and rewrapped the fenders, and at the same time, we took the fenders off because we're gonna be wrapping the black all the way down into here, so both fenders will come off. And when I say black, this roof is all going black, so. That's what we'll be doing. Like I said, not much narration today because we don't have time. We're just gonna work, and let's get into it. I wanna show you guys what TJ did. He did a really good job, but there's a little bit of excess material here. We're gonna try to heat that and actually set it in place. I like to keep that just because of it being nostalgic, because TJ actually did it. So we're gonna try to shrink this up and see if we can keep that there. But let's see if we can save it.
Are they that bad?
No, they're good. They're really good, dude. Like, you did a great job.
But this is hard.
We're gonna try to fix that. So we don't have to take this one off. The other side was a little rough.
That was my good side.
That was a good
This is the bad side. I did this is my second one, but I felt like the finish, meaning like the debris underneath, was more visible on this side. But this was the fender that was really, really screwed up.
My goal was to just fully wrap them, put them back on the car before you seen it, and let you think you did that. That was the plan, but you came out too early.
Like, how do you fix that? Like,
we're gonna try to heat and shrink that back. All you do is just there's a little overstretch right there. Let me see if I can fix that.
I used to say I was sincere. 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 I used to say I was sincere.
I've been having my dreams about wrapping this roof for the past week, hoping that we could get it right because it's a lot bigger than the vinyl actually is. To put things in perspective, the roof vinyl that we used, like the length was 98 inches or 90 inches. Remember, Johnny? Yeah. So it's 90 inches, we'll say 90. 90 in length, but the big problem, like this is actually a really small roof from here to here, but to open up the material right here with the width, that's where all the extra length came in, because what we did, if you've seen in the video, we cut reliefs right here and then we pulled it all out this way, and I think the width from corner to corner is like, I don't know, it's something super wide, way more exceeding the material. The material's only 60 inches wide, so that's why you see us making those relief cuts and kind of struggle getting it into place, but we did it, came out sick. Now it's on to the next thing. I think we're gonna be wrapping the rear bumper and all of this. So I'm probably gonna knock this out real quick why this guy takes all the parts off. There was a bunch of carbon fiber right here. There was exhaust. There was all of the sensors. So that's what this guy's been doing for the past hour. You good, man?
Not bad, dude.
what you did over there, it was a little overstretched on everything. So you kind of just want to set everything in place. See how I'm kind of just working that? Setting it all into that recess.
Yeah.
What a lot of people do is they go like that and they just push it in, you know? And that's how you get that sick ass bubble.
Had a couple of those.
They don't want those sick ass bubbles. So not much narrating today. We didn't really talk at all. But literally Johnny and I got to TJ's warehouse, just started rapping, going ham, knocking the thing out. And I'm really impressed with how far we got. And you know, Johnny and I were talking on the way home. We've had 2 visits over to Hunt Quarters in San Diego, 2 really kind of half days in our opinion, 6 to 8 hour days what we've been spending over there. So 2 of those, we've got most of the car knocked out. All we have left now at this point is the front bumper. And like I said, it's pretty impressive because Ferrari, for one, not an easy car to wrap. Not being in our shop kind of adds to the difficulty of it. The car itself is a rebuild, so it's not 100% perfect yet. And I know it will be, but at this point it's not. So it becomes a little difficult. So I'm just kind of expressing to you guys where we're at with things and why they've moved the way they have. And in my opinion, it's moved really well. I'm really excited about it. What do you think of the whole project? You like it?
Yeah, let's do it. Now, fighting a black widow over here.
Don't burn the Black Widow. Don't do it on the vlog. You'll get in trouble for that. But we appreciate you guys watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Every 100,000 new subscribers are giving away a car wrap. So we're approaching 300K. And I know we're only at 210 now, but to me that's a huge leap because we just hit 200,000 last month. So let's get that 300K, because what we're gonna do at 300,000 subscribers, we're gonna give away another free car wrap to anybody watching. You right there, you can win. It doesn't matter what you drive, doesn't matter where you're at, we'll go to you. If you want to see what that's like, you want to watch some of the vlogs of us giving away a car wrap, go back a few. You'll see 2 different giveaways. When we hit 100K and when we hit 200K, we documented the whole process. We want to do that with you. All you got to do is subscribe to the channel, go to the description below, enter the car wrap giveaway, and that's all. Tune into the vlog every once in a while, say what up to us, drop a comment, and hopefully the next winner is you. But we appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you guys in the next vlog. We out.
Later.
Don't leave me hanging. Slap hand.